Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you about while loops in Python. So let's start this video. So here we have the program which is a for loop. What happens here is that if we run it, it will ask for our name. For example, if we give Kevin, it will say wrong username. And if we give our Pratik to it, it will say welcome to Facebook Pratik and the loop will be end. So look at here the code. For I in end, it will run 50 times. And it will ask for name. What's your name? And it will check that if name is equal to Pratik. If it is equal to Pratik, it will say welcome to Facebook and break the loop. And if it is not equal to Pratik, it will say wrong username and start the loop again. But here is the problem. But before that, if you don't know about for loop, you should click on the card and watch the for loop, or click in the link in the description of the playlist to start over if you have if you don't know any concept about like variable and all this stuff. I've created a whole playlist of Python for beginners. So what if we want to run this code again and again, only to break when name is equal to Pratik? Like it will break after 50 times, but we want to keep repeating it till we get Pratik as the username. So what we can do is, we can use while loop here. So how while loop is written? First, let's remove it. And while loop is written like this, while, and let's gap. We don't need to give the gap, but it will look better. While name is not equal to Pratik, and so we want to run this loop. What it means here? It will check that if name is equal to Pratik or not. If name is not equal to Pratik, it will run the code inside it, which will ask your name and say if it is welcome to Facebook or wrong username. So it will say wrong username because it is not equal to Pratik, and again run the loop, which is name is equal to what is your name, it will ask. But when it gets Pratik, it will stop the loop and say welcome to Facebook. Let's run it. So it is saying that name is not defined. You can look here, because we have not defined the name, because it is starting the loop here, not here. Then it is looking that name is equal to not equal to Pratik, but we have not defined the name yet. So we have to define the name here. We can do is name is equal to, and we will leave it like this, strings, nothing inside it. Okay. And now if we will run it, what's your name? So we can say Kevin, Alex, wrong username it is saying. And now if we say Pratik, it will stop break the loop and say welcome to Facebook Pratik. So hopefully you have understand about while loop. If you want to build AI application exactly like this, you are in luck. I will teach you this inside my school community. You should click top link in the description. That will take you to my school community, where I will hold your hand and teach you how to build AI applications like this on the screen character AI clone from scratch, even if you are complete beginner. And I will also help you deploy it on .com domain or any domain you want. And if you are getting any type of problem, I will directly help you there. And I will even make video solutions for you if you're getting any type of problem.